Welcome, everyone. Welcome to day 2 of our Evolution of Biodynamics Symposium. We have a wonderful lineup today. Today, the theme is soul, looking at the inner landscape of biodynamics. And first up, we have Matias Baker. We had him in our panel yesterday, and looking forward to what he's sharing today. And then following that, we have Wally Villa, who's a longtime friend of Soil, Soul, and Spirit. And he's going to be sharing some of his lessons looking at biodynamics through his Sufi practice. And then after the break, we're going to be joined by Jonathan Code, another longtime friend and collaborator with Dennis in the weather work and the biodynamics. And he's going to be exploring contemporary agriculture and biodynamics and looking at the things that are happening in that realm. And then finally, we're joined by Carmen Hering. She's a anthroposophical doctor, and she's going to be looking at biodynamics and the body of the earth and the way that our bodies reflect the earth's bodies. And then we'll wrap up with the panel like we did yesterday. As far as I understand it, we're going to have all of our speakers joining us on the panel. So I'm really looking forward to that. That cross conversation is always so rich. I'm looking forward to welcoming Matias in here. Let me cue those things up. Excellent. There's Matias.